Mom, how old are you now?
I am 21.
21? Well, then you better go back and put on some more moisturizer because I don't know if you're fooling anybody. My mom is the pickiest when it comes to foundation, so let's see if my new foundation works on her skin. When I was first starting out doing makeup and I was starting to charge clients, I charged anywhere from $50 to $100, and my mom said, that is way too much. You should be charging $30 a client. You'll get more people, but we've come a long way, right?
Right.
Okay, because my mom's an old lady, we gotta moisturize a little bit. So I'm gonna put a little bit of moisturizer before I underpaint. Mom doesn't like to look bronzy, but I am gonna underpaint. So I'm gonna contour just into the hollows of the cheekbones. You guys, I get these cheeks from these cheeks. Look how big and juicy they are.
This is all natural.
Oh, is it? I was about to put on a little bit of She's That Girl, but my mom said, no. I want the other pink one. So I'm actually gonna put on She's Giving just onto the apples of the cheeks. I'm putting on quite a bit just because we are underpainting. What do you think, Mom?
I look like a clown.
Oh, thank you. So we're putting quite a bit on just onto the apples of the cheeks. I'm gonna blend the concealer into the under eye. So excited, I finally have a foundation that I actually know that is going to be so good for my mom. I'm using shade 12. You guys already know the drill. I like to spread out my foundation really thin onto a petri dish and just take a beauty blender. And I'm just going to apply this just right onto the entire face. And I'm just like going in like light pressing motions. This is a really moisturizing foundation, so I know that this is going to work really well on mature skin because we want hydration, we want to look plump, we want to look juicy.
Looks nice.
My mom likes to look a lot brighter than what her actual skin color is. I think it's just like a Vietnamese thing. She wants to look bright and gorgeous, so I use a shade that is probably 1 or 2 shades lighter than her actual skin color, but that's just my mom's preference.
I like it.
I'm just contouring my mom's nose just a hair, just so I can give her a nice little bridge. Do you guys see how like glowy and gorgeous the skin looks? Like show the cheekbones. They look very hydrated, very luminous. Now we're gonna go ahead and set, just because this is a luminous foundation. I want to make sure that we set this at the right area, so just the center of the face. And then I'm going to go in with a little powder puff and just set everywhere else. This is the finished look. Mom, what do you think?
I think this is the perfect amount of my coverage for my age.
Oh, perfect amount of my coverage for my age. I don't know if that makes sense, but I like that. So, you guys, it looks so beautiful on her. The skin is glowing, the skin is moisturized, and the skin is plump, and that is what we want.
Thank you.